The 649cc BS6 engine of the Moto Morini X-Cape generates 54 Nm of torque and 59.17 horsepower of power. The Moto Morini X-Cape has anti-locking brakes together with front and rear disc brakes. The gasoline tank on this X-Cape bike can hold 18 liters of petrol and weighs 215 kilograms. Moto Morini's mid-range adventure motorbike is called the X-Cape 650. Launched in a market with few bikes but a lot of promise. That gap, according to the X-Cape 650, is filled. A 649cc, liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine that produces a maximum of 60 horsepower at 8,250 revolutions per minute and a maximum of 54 Nm at 7,000 revolutions per minute powers the Moto Morini X-Cape 650X. A 6-speed gearbox is connected with the motor. The motorcycle is equipped with a full-color, 7-inch TFT instrument cluster that offers a lot of data. Additionally, it includes a number of themes that may be changed using the menu. Additionally, it has two riding modes, ride and off-road, which modify the ABS intervention and throttle responsiveness, respectively. Then there are other features that improve utility and convenience, such as lighted switchgear, dual USB charging connections, and an adjustable windshield. Both the front and rear suspension settings on this ADV are programmable. It has a front 43mm inverted fork with preload, rebound, and compression adjustments, and a rear monoshock with preload and rebound adjustments. The X-Cape 650X then rides on tubeless cross-spoke wheels with Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tires that are 19 inches in the front and 17 inches in the back. The motorcycle has two 298mm rotors up front and one 255mm disc at the back for braking. A dual-channel ABS system with the option to turn off ABS at the rear in off-road mode is part of the safety net.
Bye.